Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make an origami heart envelope. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper. Fold it into two equal halves and press it well. Now fold our triangle towards the middle crease and press it. Then from the other side, press it again. Now fold towards the fold. Okay. Fold it like this from one side and the other. Open the fold and press it. Then from the other side, repeat the step and press it well. Turn it. And fold into two. Now fold it from one side and then the other to form the shape of the heart. Then from the other side, press it. Alright. And it's done. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials like this. You may share this video with your friends, family members, and relatives. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.